Made by Mark Colp. Mark's from Lakeport, California. His most challenging carving was a 10-foot wine bottle. Favorite wood to carve is redwood. Oddest job ever was carving a Hobbit character at a Hobbit park in California. Set them in where? I'm not going to lie to you. These 4 pieces have a $1,250 minimum. That's where they've got to start. All 4 of the big pieces have a $1,250 minimum. $1,250 going once. Let's go. $1,250. Thank you. Now $1,350. Taylor, hold that for me. $1,250. I've got $1,250 live money. Now $1,300. $1,250. We go 13, 13, $1,250. Go 13. 13. Now 14. 13 minute 14. You say no, you don't get to buy it. 13 minute 14. 13, 14, 14, 13 minute 14. 1300 minute 14, 14, 1300 minute 14. 13 minute 14, 14, 1300 minute 14. Try 1350. Thank you. Now 14, 14, 1450. 1450. Now 1500. 1450. 15. Thank you. Now 1550. It's your money. We'll go however you want. 1500. We'll go 1550. 1550. 1600. 1550. We'll go 16. 16. Now 1650. 16. We'll go 1650. 16. We'll go 1650. 1650. Don't listen to her. Look to me. 1600. We'll go 1650. You'll get in trouble later, but we'll have fun doing it. 1600. We'll go 1650. Thank you. Now 1700. 1650. We'll go 17. 1650. We'll go 17. 17. 1650. We'll go 17. Make it over. 1650. We'll go 17. 1650. Are you in 17? Thank you. Now 1750. He had to discuss it with her too. 17, we go 1750. 1700, we go 1750. 1700, we go 1750. 1700, we go 1750. I won't go any less. 1700, we go 1750. 1750. 1800. 1850. 1800 and 1850. 1800 and 1850. 1850. 1800 and 1850. 1800 and 1850. 1900. 815 with a 19. 19. 1850 with a 19. 18, 50 to 19, 19, 19, 18, 50 to 19. Are you staying 19? Thank you. Now 1950. 1900 to 1950. 1900 to 1950. 1950. 1900 to 1950. 1950. Thank you. 2000. I got 1950 back there at first. 2000. 2000. 2100. 2000 to 21. 2000 mid 21. 21. 2000 mid 21. 2000 mid 21. 21. 2000 mid 21. 2000 mid 21. 2100. 2100. Now 22. 21 to 22. 22. 2100 to 22. 2100 to 22. 22. 2100 to 22. 22. 2100 to 22. 2100. 22. Now 23. 22 to 23. 23. 2200 to 23. 22. Now 23. See how far he'll go. 22 to 23. 22 to 23. 23. 2200 to 23. 2300. 23, now 24. 2300 to 24, 24, 2300 to 24. 2300 to 24, 24, 2300 to 24, 24, 23 to 24. 23 to 24, 24, 23 to 24. 2400 going once. 24 going twice, now 25. 2400 to 25. 2400 to 25, 25, 2400 to 25. 2400 to 25, 25, 25, 2400 to 25, 25. 2400 to 25. 2400 to 25, 25, 2400 to 25. Are you done? 2400 to 25. Going once. 25 going twice. 25, 26, 2500 to 26, 2500 to 26, you owned it for the last couple of minutes. 2500 to 26, 2500 to 26, 26, 2500 to 26. Talk it over, I'll let you talk to her. 2500 to 26, are you done? Are you done? You're done. So right there, $2,500. Give both of them a round of applause.